Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I hope everybody fit and fine. Before starting our class, I would like to introduce myself. I am your new SST teacher Nikhil sir. I will be taking your SST class. So students, today we start geography chapter number 1, our resource. Before starting our chapter, let's see the basic topics of the chapter. Now students, these are the basic topics. First, meaning of resource. Second, types of resource. Third, classification of resource. Fourth, resource planning. Fifth, conservation of resource. Sixth, sustainable development. So today we start first topic, meaning of resource. Now student, anybody tell me what is resource? Why we need for resource? No one. Let me explain. Resources are the divine gift of God. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs is called resource. Resources are technologically, economically, and culturally accepted. Water, electricity, wood, books, and many other things are used by us, so they have utility or usability. Utility means services or use or usability, and value, the amount of money that something is worth. Students, human beings are also a resource because they use their knowledge and skills to transform material available in our environment into a resource. On this behalf, we can say any element of the environment which can be used to satisfy our needs and is of value to us. Now, the definition of resource. What is the definition of resource? We can say resource are the material which have got value and used to satisfy our needs. After it, we can classify resources in two broad categories. First is natural resource and man-made resource. Natural resource means all the resources that are obtained from nature are called natural resource, like water, mountains, soil, forest, animals, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Now students, all natural resources contain primary activities or nature based activity like extraction, purification, mining, quarrying, fishing, hunting, forestry, petroleum extraction are considered natural resource. These are very important natural resources. Now, man-made resource are also very important because man-made resource convert raw materials into useful things. It include both quality and quantity. Human resources are considered as the most important resource of nation. In this resource contain tools, technologies, infrastructure, social institution and industries. So students, I think it's enough for today class. Read the chapter and topic number 1, resource, types of resource. Let's continue in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.